Alright, ladies and gentlemen, look what has arrived today. Finally, the Wayru Genesis OG miner has arrived, and we're going to try to set it up. We'll give it an attempt on Solana blockchain. I believe you can also set it up on Algorand and Solana. I'll walk you through the process. I hope the process is easy, but we're going to record it and we'll see what we get out of it. The box looks like that, Genesis OG. The back, just like that, their logo. Let's open up this device and see what we have inside. Very important to mention, they only sent one internet cable. You will need another one since this is powered over internet. The reason they didn't send another one because they do not know how far from your router you're going to be setting this device. So we'll get another one of these and proceed with the setup. Now that we got our second Ethernet cable, we'll take a look at the pamphlet, and it states on step 1 to connect a WAN port of Genesis device to PoE port on the provided power supply adapter with using Ethernet cable, as we see here. So WAN port is there. Simply connect that into the cube, the PoE port, which is that right there. Okay, that's step 1. Now step 2 states that we should connect the LAN port of PoE power supply adapter to any available LAN port on the router. So we're gonna take the secondary cable from the LAN port of the power supply cube, and the other end will go into the available router. So pretty simple. That's step 2. Now if you look at step 3, since we got both of these steps done, now it's asking us to connect the actual power supply adapter, which is this right here. So simply plug that in there, and now we can plug it into the actual outlet. So that's the setup. We'll go ahead and plug it in and see what happens next. Step 4, install a Wayru Hotspot operating app available on both iOS and Android. You will need to sign in and create an account. So let's download the app and proceed once we create our account. Download the app, open, get. Okay, now we are presented with the home screen. I believe we're going to go into My Miners. Click on that. Okay, now we're gonna add a miner. Here, select the device mode. We have a Wayru Genesis. Click on the plus sign. What network are we going to be using to mint this miner? I'm going to choose Solana. Now it says installation instruction. The equivalent of 50 USD in Sol is needed, plus 0.001 Sol in the wallet for transaction. Have a router equipment on hand, Ethernet cable, be near the electricity outlet. Take about 20 minutes. Okay, hit continue. Quick installation guide. Make sure not to disconnect the device from the power supply or from the internet during the whole process. Okay, so this is basically walking us through the steps that we already did from the pamphlet. Connecting the WAN into the PoE port, click continue, and then from the power supply LAN to the router, we did that, click continue, and then connect the AC power source into the outlet, which we have done. Click continue. Genesis onboarding, location permission granted, network check failed. Okay, let's go ahead and see what's going on with the network. Okay, to continue. Okay, join, allow. Device data is ready. Connected to the internet, register the device. On this step, it's asking us to register the device, so we're going to click on register. Approved. Okay, the formal update has started. You will receive a notification when the device is ready. Note that this should not take longer than 15 minutes. We're going to click on OK. Very important step while we're waiting for that firmware to be done updating. We can go into our app and fund our Solana wallet because we will be minting this through Solana. So if we go into our app, click on the menu up here. Do we have a notification? Yes, we do. Click on that notification. Your device, okay, has a pending confirmation. Let's click on that. Okay, we have our miner here. Select the miner. Okay. Let's see. Pending mint. Resolve. Okay, add miner. Location permission granted. Location adjusted. Connected to the network. Device information is ready. New hotspot added. Let's mint our device. Click on the mint button. Select our Solana wallet. Click confirm. Transaction fee is $50. Okay, click on confirm. I have received an email with the discount code which I have inputted here, and it gave me a discount of $25, so much appreciated. Let's click on confirm down here. Minting NF node. Okay, let's see how long this is going to take. And here we have it. Success. NF node has been minted. You are ready to receive rewards. Let's go. Click on let's go. There we go. We have our miner here. If we click on that, we can see it is online. Now we just gotta wait for 24 hours, I believe, and we're going to get a heartbeat. And then once that starts going, I believe the rewards will start showing up.